I'm Cinder and I'm a Little Big Boss. I'm here to show you how I became a Little Big Boss. And I hope you can join me too. This is my dad, Dave, and his friends. Now take it away, Dad. I have a business to run.
As a father of two, I'm constantly looking for fun activities outside of the classroom environment to let my kids learn about life skills. With Dave and Cece, we have created this unique toolkit for every child to learn about entrepreneurship.
I am Cece. As part of the core development team, we are committed to provide tools, resources, and support for our young entrepreneurs to kickstart their business journey in a safe, realistic, and guided environment. Our business journal is carefully designed to develop our Little Big Bosses' thinking and planning skills throughout the process of creating their own businesses. The journal provides a systematic way for the children to plan their business journey by focusing on ideation, sales, marketing, inventory management, finances, human resources, and legal processes.
We have included a review process for young entrepreneurs to learn from their experiences and take different actions. Our Little Big Bosses can also find a list of business ideas to start their creative juices going. Our specially designed activity kit include items such as bracelets or keychains to give our Little Big Bosses hands-on experiences to develop product and market to consumers. We believe that through peer learning, our Little Big Bosses will build their expertise and learn the art of communication. With this in mind, we created Little Big Boss Web Portal, an online marketplace for young entrepreneurs to engage in trading activities with consumers. Our resources page in the web portal will also contain additional learning activities for our Little Big Bosses.
As you see, we have developed a system to map our Little Big Bosses' entrepreneurial journey. Next, Dave will share about what we would like to achieve in our Kickstarter campaign.
With Little Big Boss, we believe that we can create generations of young entrepreneurs. Each tool and resource created in my Little Big Boss activity kit and digital platform is specially designed in consultation with industrial leaders and educators. By backing this Kickstarter campaign, your Little Big Boss will be part of a strong global network of young change makers.
I'm a Little Big Boss. Are you ready to become one too?